This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In April 2012, along with 13 employees, Instagram was sold to Facebook for $1 billion in cash and stock. According to Bloomberg market research analysis, Instagram is now worth $100 billion. That is almost 100 times of the worth what Facebook has bought, and they have multiplied 100 times just in the matter of 7 years. Originally, it was created by Kevin and Mike, who are the initial founders of an app called Bourbon. Bourbon as in not in whiskey, but it's B-U-R-B-N. And only their focus was on to build an app which focus on photos. They had many features initially, but they chucked out all of those features because it didn't work for them and left everything but photos. It was renamed to Instagram, and now Instagram is #1 photo app in the market. As we know, we all know and love Instagram. We use Instagram quite a lot. And this is the story of Instagram, how it started. Now, in the next video, I will be talking about the growth hacks, what went and what really the focus was on. But I said the only focus, they were focusing on building an app for photos. Okay, so this is a little infographic about how Instagram started. So you can learn, you can read all through that. So Kevin started, he was in marketing, and then he started coding at night after work. And then he built a prototype called Bourbon, gave it to friends, met investors, and quickly he got $500,000 in funding as well. Now, during the stages, there were pretty challenges, as in, obviously he was working alone, and then he found Mike down the line, who became a co-founder. Initially, it was only launched on Apple iStore, not on Android. I think it took about almost 2 years for them to actually get on Android. On the day of the launch on Android, there was a huge downloads for Instagram because people were eagerly waiting who were using Android devices to be launched in the Android Google Play Store. Okay, so let's get into the next video. I will discuss how it started and what were the main growth hacking techniques they have followed during the initial days. That's it for this chapter. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.